What's going on, YouTube? It's your boy Clark back at it again with another live trading session. Another live trading session. Good morning to you guys in the chat. Let me make sure my sound coming in. All right, we good. All right, market just opened. We kind of opened up in the same range as yesterday. So kind of got a tight pre-market high, pre-market low. So we should see if we should get a good trend today because we didn't really make any big moves in pre-market. PPI came out at 8:30 also. Didn't really make any big moves. So see if we can get us some decent trades today. Eric say nasty start inside yesterday's range. Y'all know the rules. Wait for a setup. Yes, sir. Wait for that setup. We're gonna wait 15 minutes for our ORBs to hit. Mason, what it do? Good morning. Johnny, what it do? Good morning. Max, so in here. What it do? Good morning. Hell yo, y'all in here today. He said he caught a repo. He caught a replay yesterday. Y'all got to the bag. Oh yeah. Yeah, we hit up SPY yesterday. We hit up 43% on SPY. Let's see what we can get today though, man. Let's see. Got AMD moving towards the downside a little bit. We are on a 2-minute chart. Tesla and AMD. Let me get my chart pulled up. All right, so that 562 level on SPY, we've been getting rejected from that level yesterday and the day before. So we're gonna watch that level closely. See how SPY reacts off of 562. Or right here, this 554 at the bottom. So let's see what happens. We can only do what the market presents to us. Don't see a setup, we won't take no trades. Got Microsoft moving towards the upside. All right, we'll chill and wait though. Want to see how SPY reacts today. Tesla pulling all the way back. Tesla kind of gapped down a little bit pre-market. We're gonna watch our charts. See if SPY holds this low right here. We are sitting in ranges from the past 2 days, so want to see if we can see those ranges break or get a good move. AMD, we got Apple. It's getting under yesterday's low. AMD as well. Where Apple? Apple just broke yesterday's low. Garber, good morning. What it do? Positive Insights, good morning. We in here, baby. You said you've been swinging in LY. Was that the Russell? All right, so SPY's holding its lows a little bit, hasn't broke down. Let's see what happens on this next candle. 45 seconds. 36 seconds. This Apple looking pretty good though. See what the market wants to do though. So haven't really had any big moves here early. We got Amazon moving towards the downside. Apple just reversed. Tesla touching pre-market low right now. See if we get rejected. SPY just formed a little tight range right here. With Tesla. See if SPY breaks these lows right here. Tesla selling off. Could be a fake out though. I thought Tesla kind of was recovering yesterday. Let's see what happens on Tesla. It's bouncing back a little bit. Nvidia trying to break above pre-market high. Haven't took any trades yet, guys. Just watching the market right now. We need SPY to break out of this range. Still hasn't really gave me a direction it wants to go in today. But I do like Tesla if it can get under yesterday's low. SPY and QQQ still sitting in the range. Yeah, so we can just wait for this to break out. Whichever way it breaks out, we'll wait and see which way it wants to go. Tesla selling off. Feel like SPY gonna break these lows right here. Got 3 wicks right here. Got rejected. Looks like from that 558 level. $9.39 on the clock. Amazon moving towards the downside. Meta moving towards the downside. $11 seconds on this candle. feel like Apple and Meta gonna recover right here, and Tesla. If not, they're gonna be in trouble. I mean, Amazon, Meta, and Tesla is looking good towards the downside. Damn, that was a fucking entry right there. Yeah, so it looked like Amazon rejected that 200 level. Missed the entry right there. MU taking off. SPY ain't did nothing though. See how small these candles is on SPY? Apple went up, got rejected. What is this? Tesla. I'm gonna load up Tesla's 232.5 puts. 232.5 puts. If we break this low right here, I will take an entry. 232.5 puts. Let's see what happens. Kind of pulling back a little bit, let it pull back. If it retests and rejects, we definitely gonna take that entry. So we're getting up under it's 9:42 on the clock. We're forming a bottom right here toward the bottom of ORB. Look like we probably are closed over here. So we forming the bottom right here and break out toward the bottom of the ORB. Still a couple minutes, but I will take this entry. We got to pull back right under yesterday's low. So we passed this counter right here. I'll take an entry on Tesla puts, 232.5 puts. All right, I just took an entry on Tesla puts. Let's see what happens here. My stop loss is above pre-market low. We get up above pre-market low, I will exit. I'm up 7% right now. I'm up 8% right now. See if we can keep breaking this low right here. Up 8%. Mindful Matters, good morning in the chat. We just entered Tesla puts. We are up 5% right now. Let's see what happens here. I'm up 10% right now. Stop loss is up here, pre-market high. It's 9:44 on the clock. We're sitting up 9% right now. I will trail this stop if we could push down past pre-market low. I mean, not pre-market low, but yesterday's low. We already retested pre-market low. We might go up and retest yesterday's low. So if we do get a little push, make sure you take some contracts off, and we'll just hold on the pullback. But SPY is rejecting right now. There goes SPY. See if Tesla can join the party. That 554 right there on SPY is a level we got to watch. I'm still sitting up 7%. It's 9:45 on the clock. Bouncing back a little bit. Still sitting up 3% on Tesla puts. If we get up above pre-market low, I will exit. I'm sitting at break even right now. Now I'm back up 5%. See if we can get a push out off of these lows right here. Then we're gonna go crazy if we can break this low right here. See what Meta did. Meta still weak. Amazon still weak. We should get a push here off of Tesla. Let's see what happens. We're still up. I'm up 2% right now. 1 minute on this candle. Right at the bottom of ORB right now. Sitting at break even right now. So if you're afraid, you can exit. You can exit, break even, but I'm gonna still hold. My stop loss is pre-market high right here, pre-market low right here. This dotted red line, that's my stop loss. Take profit will be right around that 237. Yeah, we can get down there, but let's see what happens. Sitting at break even right now, Tesla puts. 4 seconds on this candle. Let's see what happens. We got a pullback right at ORB. See if we can break this on SPY and Tesla. This is another entry on Tesla. We back up 7%. See if we can break this ORB right here. $9.48 on the clock. I'm back. I'm up 10% on Tesla. Let's go, Tesla. Go ahead and get down there. There we go. Hell yeah. I'm up 13% right now. $14% right now. All right, I'm gonna take a trim right here, guys, at 14%. All right. I just trimmed at 14%. We still up 13% on Tesla puts. We can push down past this ORB. I'll bring my stop loss down, but I need to see us push off or down past this ORB right here. We got 34 seconds on this candle. $26 seconds on this candle. SPY's pushing down. Meta, Amazon. Still up 11%. SPY bouncing back a little bit. I'm only up 3% right now. We might pull back a little bit. Let's see what happens. Volatility is high, so watch your risk. We're sitting at 2% right now. Forming a little sideways flag right here. We should push down off of this flag. It's a little small flag. SPY's breaking ORB. That's a good sign right there. We should get some money right here. Back up 8%. Come on, Tesla. Tesla don't want to push off of that 240. Still up 6% though. Still holding. Up 10%. And Tesla puts right now. All right, we back up 13%. See if we can get a push past this low right here. Come on, Tesla. Sitting at 12% right now. Tesla puts. 7 seconds on this candle. We're pulling back a little bit. All right, Tesla closed inside of ORB. Still need to break these lows right here. I'm still up 8%. Amazon moving sideways. Tesla weak. Yeah, all right. There it goes. Go ahead, Tesla. There we go. Hell yeah. Back up 15%. 16%. Let it break these lows right here. This is a weekly level right here on SPY. It's 554. So we got to watch out for that if it a reversal right there. Still up 16%. Yeah, we reversed here pre-market and we reversed here yesterday. Right around 554. I'm up 17% right now. $18. There we go. 21%. I'm gonna take another trim right here, guys. All right. I only got runners in right now. Only got runners in. We up 23% right now, Tesla puts. Take your money out. I'm telling you. Take your money out. Y'all seen what happened yesterday. We reversed, made a V shape, went right back up. Back up 22%. We can get a little bit more push. I'll bring my stop loss down a little bit. 2 seconds on this candle. Let's see what happens right here. Tesla is sitting right around 237, a weekly level. Still up 20%. Actually, I will bring my stop loss down at the top of this consolidation right here that just happened. So the top of this consolidation. So right around break even. We're still up 20% right now. It's 9:54 on the clock. I will move to the 5-minute chart here in a second. I'm up 24% right now. SPY might bounce back right here. We're going to watch it. Got SPY. Actually, I probably need to take some profits right here. I ain't going to cap. This level right here on SPY is a weekly level. We bounced from here yesterday. Still up 16%. Let's see what happens right here. Still up 17%. We bouncing back a little bit. I'm watching SPY because SPY could reverse right here. 4 seconds on this candle. All right, we still dropping. Still up 16%. There we go, Tesla. Go ahead and drop. Back up 21%. 25%. There we go. Come on, go ahead and drop, Tesla. 28%. Let's go. There we go. Hell yeah. 32% right now. There we go. I'm about to take profits here in a second, guys. I will take profits and we'll find something else. About to take profits here in my zone. Here in a second. We still going down, so I'll let it. Shit. Let it sell off. All right, guys, I'm going to take my 36% right there. It's probably going to bounce back, but I'm going to take my 36% right there. 36% on Tesla. I'm cool with that. Hey, we got to get in, get out. It's that kind of market, man. If it keeps moving down, we'll let it move down, but I want to see how SPY reacts right here. You can stay in if you want, but y'all know how the charts do. 36% on Tesla. Decent first trade. We got money out of it. We made money. We woke up, pressed a couple buttons, and made money. You know what I'm saying? Got what we got. Now we can sit and wait for a pullback. $36% on Tesla. Johnny said he looking for a SPY entry. Did anybody get in Tesla with me? I could have stayed in, but it's all good. Yeah, so Johnny, so the reason I took Tesla entry is because I'm watching the time. I didn't say it out loud, but it's just stuff I do in my head. I'm watching the time. So I'm watching see Tesla pulling back right now. Great exit. We can wait on another entry. I'm watching at 9:45 time. So if we get at 9:45 is when I check the ORB, see if we break the ORB, blase. So 9:45, if we forming a bottom at the ORB around 9:43, 9:42, just how we was doing right here, actually on SPY as well. If we forming a bottom like that, I'm gonna move to the 5-minute chart, guys. Move to the 5-minute chart. But if we forming a bottom right at the bottom of ORB, I'll take the entry off of a pullback, off of the break of that bottom that we're forming. That's how I played the ORB. When I get in early. Now, sometimes I'll wait on a retest. When I wait on a retest is if price doesn't really, Meta. Only reason I wait on the retest if price just pushes through ORB. If its price just pushes through ORB, I'll wait on a retest. If it just forms a bottom at ORB, it's kind of telling me that we're probably about to break ORB. So that's why I went ahead and got in puts. But look like I should have stayed in. Boy, look at this shit here. Damn. Oh my God. Damn. See what we see, man. Got Amazon, Microsoft, Tesla. Yeah, I'll let it do its thing right here. It's gonna bounce back, play around. It's gonna do a lot of stuff at this level. It's a weekly level. It's a lot of buyers and sellers sitting at that level. One 16527. See, we pull back right here. Let's see what happens. Tesla 22%. Good shit. You got inspired. Mason say you got inspired. All right. Them Tesla contracts probably high, huh? They be high, but if the setup is there, I'm gonna tell you, I'm gonna catch it. Mom from Matter said she caught Tesla too. Okay, hell yeah. Good shit. We all caught Tesla. I'm just waiting to see what SPY wants to do right here at this weekly level. See if we reverse or see if we keep dropping down. Let's see what happens. Big wick down here on Tesla. What am I looking for? I am watching I like this Google. If Google can hold up under yesterday's low, I like this Google. If we can hold this pullback right here for these next 2 minutes, let's see what happens. You said TSL. Are you saying Tesla? See, look, SPY bouncing back a little bit. It's the same zone we bounced back yesterday. This is exactly why I exited Tesla. I ain't greedy. I get my money and get out of there. Shit. But if we get rejected, they in trouble. See what happens right here. Meta made a good move. All right, we got rejected a little bit. Oh, I'm looking at Google, baby. I'm looking at Google. I like Google. I'm gonna load up Google 165 puts. Google 165 puts. See what happens right here. If this next counter passes Google right here, I will take an entry. Google 163. Google might hold this low though. I ain't gonna lie. This is the low of the low for Google, so it might hold this low. Not gonna lie, that 165. Google hasn't broke this low since October 23rd. So it might bounce back here. It might be pretty strong here. Yep. See what I'm saying? All I'm doing is going on a wider chart, going on a wider time frame, and I'm just expanding the chart, and I'm just looking at when the last time it touched this level and what did it do at this level. That's how being a day trader, you gotta be you gotta understand history, and you gotta, what's the word I'm trying to find? Can't think of my words right now. But you just gotta understand history and know that history can happen again. So if this chart did this yesterday, it might do it today. You know what I'm saying? If it did it last week, it might do it again today. So some of my levels, I use that kind of theory. All right, we're getting rejected again. Y'all see that? 2 rejections. Got rejected one time, got rejected again. Now, if we break back towards the downside, that's when I'll take this entry on Google. But let's see what happens real quick. I'm gonna chill for a minute, see what SPY does. Mindful Matter says you got to recognize, reconsider previous levels. Exactly. I know, like if you see a big rejection, like in the afternoon or evening or something, not evening, but afternoon, 9 times out of 10, that shit gonna happen again. You just need to be in the right position, puts or calls to catch the move. You know what I'm saying? Let's see what happens right here on SPY. See if we just testing that ORB. Staying patient, baby. We got to stay patient. That was a great first trade on Tesla, though. Not gonna lie. Tesla sitting at right where we got out at. Bulls might be coming back. Let's see. Like I said, we reversed right here yesterday. Right around this area, we made that big move yesterday. Right around 1100. So let's see what happens. I'm not the type of trader to catch the reversal. That ain't me. I'm the type of trader to find a trend, wait for the trend to start, find a pullback. Reversals, not really good. Not really good at that. Not gonna lie to you. But I can do it though. I do it a lot, but I make sure my size is down. He said Amazon. Let's see. Hold up. Amazon. Yeah, Amazon pretty decent. I just don't like that wick down here at the bottom, meaning we got rejected pretty hard down here at this 193 level. And there was no news that came out. So that was a clean rejection. So I don't like that bottom. But I mean, you can still take the trade off of a breakout, but I will only take it off of a breakout. See what Google does here. Look like it's all bouncing back. Same area we bounced back from yesterday. See what happens. Price action kind of slowed down a little bit. Oh, we're on a 5-minute chart. That's why. See what happens right here. I haven't entered anything yet. I'm still looking at SPY, man. SPY is pretty strong right here. But Google just got rejected. Damn. Only reason I haven't took this trade is because I'm really waiting on a rejection on SPY. Damn. Okay. We got rejected a little bit. Still chilling. Still chilling. DMN WCT. What those is? All right. All right. I just entered Google. I just entered Google puts. Let's see what happens. I probably scalp this shit because I don't like how SPY hasn't broke this level yet. But let's see what happens. I'm up 2% right now. Stop loss is this pre-market. I mean, it's lower yesterday. Let's see what happens. SPY still trying to be strong, pretty strong right here. I'm down 6% right now. Let's see if SPY wicks right here. Only down 12% right now. See if we reject. If not, I will exit. It's that counter trend shit I hate. I'm looking for SPY to reject right here. Still watching. Down 9% right now. I'm in Google puts. $52 seconds on this candle. We're down 5% right now in Google. See what SPY wants to do. Pretty strong here. Damn. Sitting at break even on Google, guys. I'm only down 14%. I'm light as hell. All right, I'm out of Google. I only had like one contract, to be honest. I only lost $40 right there. I was gonna average into it. It's all good. That's why I hate taking that bottom. I hate taking the bottom. Got out of Google right on time and took my $131. Damn. How the fuck? You must have got in way before me. We still green though. Get that big wick on Amazon. Yeah, that's a bottom wick right there. That big old wick. Look like goddamn Spy doing the same thing as yesterday. Sean said DMN. DMN. I ain't never heard of this stock. WCT. Will Change Holdings. All right. Fuck. 10:16 on the clock. So look like we reversed, just like I said. Look like the bulls are in here. Using that ORB, you can't take the bottom of ORB, take it all the way up for calls if you wanted to, if you see it break into that, but I don't do that. You can do. I've seen some people do that before. Got MU heading up top. See if the SPY gets above ORB. That's what it did yesterday. Nah, it didn't even get up there. Yeah, it didn't even get up there yesterday. Okay. Damn, could have caught that bottom. We'll let it play out. Confirmation would tell me if we break right here above this ORB level, this 200 level right here, 200 moving average right here. That'll show me the bulls are really in. So we'll wait on that. Tesla reversed all the way. Great exit. See that Tesla trade we took? I told you, my A plus setup, man. My A plus setup. My A plus setup is when I see the pre-market low and the pre-market and the yesterday's low break. If those two levels break, I'm definitely taking an entry. I told you guys this yesterday. I told y'all need to mark these 4 levels on your chart. I took it right off the pre-market low. That's the pre-market low from last night. Pre-market low. Yesterday's low right here. We broke it. As soon as we broke it, we retested right here. That little green retest, and I just caught the breakout. As soon as we broke right there, that's when we got in. Got towards the bottom, 36%. We got out. And on Google, we got stopped out, a little light loss, but we still green on the day. Google, we just caught that too late. Should have caught that right around when we caught Tesla. But Google came down, it broke the low, but didn't really give us a continuation right here and bounce back up. But that's why you keep your stop loss tight. That was a decent Tesla trade though. Only 2 trades we've taken today. Let's see what SPY does right here around this 200 moving average. Says SPY should reverse right here. All right, let's see. It's touching the 200 moving average right now. Oh, don't let SPY do that. Don't let SPY do that. AMD. Yeah, we got rejected there earlier. Getting rejected right here at the top of this ORB. Same. Damn, 82% on SPY calls. Ooh, shit. I should have caught that bottom. When you got in? You probably got in as soon as we got out of Tesla, huh? Good shit. 82% on SPY calls. Must have caught that bitch down here. See, I be knowing when it's going to reverse. I know when to exit my trade. Now, getting right back in a call, nah. I just got to see how the market is moving. You know what I'm saying? But that's a good idea though. I've done it before and lost on it. That's why I chill. See a SPY reverses right here. Yeah. My mic messing up bad. Anybody else hear my mic messing up? I just turn the background noise off. Double tails. That boy Sean said he was thinking about that SPY calls. I tried my hand at it. Oh yeah, okay. See, yeah, I would have just threw my money at it too. Nah, Mike good, Mike straight. All right. Damn, Eric. All right. I didn't really think it was gonna reverse how hard it just did, but I did say it did that yesterday. I need to listen to myself, huh? I just told myself you need to goddamn understand the history and know that history will do the same thing. And I did say we got reversed right here. So I'm talking what I know. I just ain't jumping in the trade yet. It's Meta, Amazon, Apple, Tesla, NVIDIA. Oh shit. NVIDIA just broke ORB. Let's see what happened right here on the video. I want to get a retest. I'm about to take a light entry on the video. All right. I took a light entry on the video calls. Let's see what happens right here. We broke ORB. Kind of jumping the gun a little bit, but we're above pre-market high. I'll keep my stop loss right up under yesterday's high. Let's see what happens. If we get stopped out, shit, we just get stopped out. Hey, you gotta put your money where you see opportunities. Damn, the VIX is in the market right now. I'm down 7% right now. Watch try to break back into ORB. But we're sitting above two pretty strong levels. See what SPY does right here. SPY is still sitting around that 200 moving average. I'm down 3% right now. AMD about to break ORB. No big moves till we out of this range. All right, good morning. Might sound the same to me. All right. We break even on the video. SPY getting rejected though. Y'all see that? SPY getting rejected a little bit. I'm down 7% right now on the video calls. SPY needs to get above this 200 moving average. QQQ, the same thing. It is 10:27 on the clock. SPY's holding up pretty good right now. He said AMD about to break. Oh, at the top right here, yeah. But we still got that 200 moving average sitting at the top right there. The video pulling back. See if we can hold this top of ORB. Down 10% right now. We could reverse right here, but let's see what happens. Goddamn. All right, the video's sitting at my stop. Look like I got in here late. All right, I'm out of the video. God damn. We trying to get some more goddamn trades for y'all. Yeah, we got stopped out of that. I'm gonna call it a day right here, man. I'm gonna call it a day right there. We still green on the day. I ain't trying to give back my games, man. We hit 36% on Tesla. Damn. It's that choppy shit, man. Should have caught it with Eric, but it's all good. But we hit 36% on Tesla. Got stopped out on Google and just got stopped out on Nvidia. But I'm still green on the day. Decent trading day. Any day you still green, still a good day. No red days, baby. We don't need no red days. I haven't had a red day since I think it was Friday when the power went out. That's when I had a red day. But yeah, man, I'm about to log out of here, man. I'm done for right now. Yeah, same as yesterday. Okay, probably gonna hold right here. This bullshit right here. But it's all good, man. I'm gonna call it a day. Got some decent trades today. Got stopped out a little bit, but still finished the day strong. We'll take that momentum into tomorrow. It's Friday. Hopefully, we can get decent trend tomorrow. Today, y'all see we up and down, up and down. Y'all watch your risk. Make sure you manage your risk. Don't put your whole account in one trade, man. But yeah, man, it's your boy Clark, man. I'll be back tomorrow, 9:30 a.m. Y'all take it easy.